After a tough 2025 with multiple box office disappointment, Bollywood is gearing up for a major comeback in 2026 with powerful release lineup and major expectation from the audience. This year can redefine box office for Bollywood. Today, let's deep dive into the top 20 upcoming Bollywood movies of 2026 for which the audience are eagerly waiting for with huge expectation. Number 20, Tu Ya Main, Bijoy Nambiar's Tu Ya Main, starring Shania Kapoor and Adarsh Gaurav, is a romantic survival film. It was reported that this film was supposed to be Shania Kapoor's debut film, but due to some delay, it got pushed. This film is now slated to release on Valentine's 2026. Number 19, The Intern. Deepika Padukone turned producer with Chhapaak and soon announced yet another production venture with the Hindi remake of Hollywood hit The Intern. Amitabh Bachchan and Deepika Padukone, who co-starred in Piku earlier, will reunite for The Intern now. Number 18, Cocktail 2. After the massive love The Cocktail gained in 2012, the audience has been waiting for the sequel. It's been more than a decade since the first part came out. Cocktail 2 will star Shahid Kapoor, Kirti Senon and Rashmika Mandanna. According to the latest report, the film is slated to release in the second half of 2026. Number 17, Maya Sabha. Second film from the director-writer of Tumbad, director Rahi Anil Barve returns with Maya Sabha, featuring a stellar cast, including Javed Jafri, Mohammad Samad, Veena Jamkar, and Deepak Damle. Maya Sabha dives into the messiness of human relationships and the illusion people live by. It's slated to release on 30th Jan. Number 16, Mirzapur the film. Mirzapur's fan is right now on cloud 9 as the popular series has finally leaped a grand cinematic spectacle. Mohit Malik, Ravi Kishan and Jitendra Kumar joins Pankaj Tripathi, Ali Faisal and Divyendu in Mirzapur the film. While details regarding the storyline and characters are still under wraps, the buzz around the film is sky high. Number 15, Bhoot Bangla. The film marks the much anticipated reunion of Akshay Kumar and Priyadarshan after 14 long years. A collaboration that has previously delivered several cult comedy hits. Ever since the first poster of Bhoot Bangla was unveiled, followed by an intriguing motion poster, excitement around the project has steadily grown. Akshay Kumar's much-awaited return to the horror comedy will release in the cinema on May 15, pushing the film a month ahead of its original announced April 2nd. Number 14, Bandar. Anurag Kashyap's next film Bandar promised to stir up controversy. Set against the backdrop of the Me Too movement, it follows a man caught in an allegedly false case. With Bobby Deol in the lead, excitement is sky high. The film premiered at the Toronto International Film Festival on 6 September 2025 and is expected to release in India in early 2026 or late 2026. Number 13, Awarappan 2. After the success of Sayyara, Mohit Suri is set to release with a sequel of his iconic film Awarappan. Imran Hashmi reprises the lead role, bringing back the intense emotion and charm fans loved. With the original holding strong nostalgic value, audience are eagerly waiting this much anticipated sequel. Number 12, Captain India. Director Shamit Amin of Chak De India fame is finally making a comeback with Captain India. Starring Kartik Aaryan in the lead, the film promises a realistic, grounded story that blends patriotism with personal conflict. Known for stepping outside typical commercial cinema, Amin focused on powerful storytelling, making Captain India a must-watch for cinephiles. Number 11, O Romeo. Shahid Kapoor reunites with visionary director Vishal Bhardwaj after nearly 12 long years. The duo that delivered modern classics like Haider and Kamini, backed with a powerhouse ensemble Tripti Dhimri, Nana Patekar, Disha Patani, Vikrant Messi, Tamanna Bhatia, Avinash Tiwari, and Farida Jalal. The film promised a high-octane action thriller with Bharadwaj's signature intensity. Mounted on a 100 crore scale, O Romeo is slated to hit theaters on 13 February 2026. Number 10. Mardani 3. Mardani 3 is the biggest solo female-led franchise in Hindi cinema that had garnered love and acclaim for over 10 years now. Mardani now returns with its third installment being directed by Abhiraj Minawala. The film will see Rani Mukherjee reprise the role of a daredevil cop, Shivani Shivaji Roy. Yash Raj Film announces the release date of Mardani as Friday, 27 February 2026, marking the auspicious Holi festival as its release window. Number 9. Shakti Shalini. Maddox Films, the studio responsible for India's most innovative horror comedy universe, is set to unveil Shakti Shalini, a supernatural saga that promises to blend myth, madness, and mystic in a way we have never encountered before. The rising star Aneet Pada plays Shakti Shalini, described as the creator, the destroyer, and the mother of all. Following her breakout performance in Sayara, Pada's casting marks a significant shift in Maddox's storytelling approach. Number 8. Bhediya 2. Varun Dhawan badly needs a successful film, and this might be just the one. Ye films 3 universe ki hai, so you can expect all the main characters coming back in Bhediya 2. वही फिल्म के सबसे बड़े selling point होगा. So in 2026, 3 universe fans will assemble once again. Number 7. Drishyam 3. The third installment of Drishyam franchise is officially headed to big screen. This is the Malayalam remake of Jeetu Joseph Drishyam 3. While the Malayalam film is set for theaters in the early April 2026, the Bollywood version is slated for 2nd October 2026. Number 6. Alpha. The next chapter in Spy Universe is here, starring Alia Bhatt, Sharvari, and Bobby Deol in the main lead. This film launches an all-new storyline within the franchise. Alpha isn't just another installment. It will set the tone for the future of the Wire of Spy Universe, especially after the last 2 films received a lukewarm response. All eyes are on this one.
ध्यान से देखो तो हर शहर में एक जंगल है और जंगल में हमेशा राज करेगा अल्फा।
Number 5. Spirit. Let's talk about Sandeep Reddy Vanga's next big one. Some media report claims that the film could arrive by the end of 2026, but honestly, I feel it's most unlikely. This is set to be the most crucial film of Prabhas' career, and with Vanga at the helm, the hype is on another level. The recently released poster grabbed instant attention, bold, unsettling, and unmistakably Vanga's world. Excitement is sky high for Spirit. I can't wait to see what Vanga has been cooking up with Prabhas. Number 4. Love and War. You can never ignore a Sanjay Leela Bhansali's film. He creates cinema with pure passion, untouched by mainstream trends. This epic brings together Ranbir Kapoor, Alia Bhatt, and Vicky Kaushal in the leading role. The stakes are massive. It's Ranbir's first film after Animal and Vicky's next after the huge success of Chhaava. Expectations are sky high, and this Bhansali spectacle is set to storm theaters on 14th August. Number 3. King. A full-scale big-budget action entertainer with Siddharth Anand directing and a powerhouse cast led by Shah Rukh Khan, daughter Suhana Khan, Deepika Padukone, Abhishek Bachchan, Anil Kapoor, Jackie Shroff, Arshad Varsi, Rani Mukherjee, Raghav Juyal, and many more. The excitement is electric. After the thunderous success of Pathaan and Jawan, the expectations are high. SRK's new look is already the talk of the town, and King is shaping up to be the cinematic event every SRK fan is waiting for.
100 देशों में बदनाम दुनिया ने दिया सिर्फ एक ही नाम. They call him King with the capital K. We say SRK.
Number 2, Dhurandhar Part 2. The buzz is already off the charts. The first film's climax revealed the true identity of Ranveer's character, and that twist has sent anticipation for the sequel soaring. Early predictions say it could open the record-breaking numbers. It clash with Toxic may spark some intense fan wars. But here's hoping it stays to the film, not the fans. One thing's certain, Dhurandhar Part 2 is among the most awaited film of 2026, which is set to hit the theater on 19th March. Last but not the least, number 1, Ramayana Part 1. The anticipation is unreal. This isn't just a film. It's a monumental moment for Indian cinema, mounted as the highest budget Indian film ever with a reported cost of nearly 2,000 crore per part. That's massive, guys, and the expectation with this film is too high. All eyes are on Ramayana to deliver a grand spectacle and conquer the box office. Before we wrap up the video, tell us which are the top 5 films you are most excited about. Also, mention the one film which you think will really surprise you. I would love to read your interesting picks. So share your thoughts in the comments. So guys, that's it for this video. If you guys like my video or my review, please do share and subscribe my YouTube channel. You can also follow me on Instagram. Until I come with my next review on next video. Take care. Toodles.